and they're not, you know, exclusively constrictors. This is a really strong animal. Is it venomous? No, no venom here. Is he about 9 foot? He's actually about 7 the last time I measured him, but it looks like he's growing pretty quickly. He's a big boy. Yeah, no venom. Not even rear fang. Just a big, strong colubrid. Dream snake is an eastern indigo. Yeah, the easterns are beautiful. I've got a couple of Texas indigos that are juveniles. I can't wait till they get big in this size. Man, guys, it's making this difficult when I can't use my right arm.